everyone, my name's Ashley Hay. I'm a mixed media artist and I love using Powertex Art Supplies in my artwork. So a question that I'm asked quite regularly is, what is Easy3Dflex? It is essentially a powder that you mix with Powertex Ultimate Medium. So you need both. However, the versatility that you get with these two products is insane. So of course your Powertex comes in a range of different colours and you just choose the colours that you'd like to work with. The Easy3Dflex is a white coloured powder. So when you add it to your Powertex Ultimate Medium, it does lighten the colours. So bear that in mind. So how can you use it? This is where it's exciting, because you don't need a whole variety of different art products. You just need these two, and there is so many possibilities. So the first thing that you can do is you can create a beautiful runny mix. So with the runny mix, you just use a small amount of Easy3Dflex with the Powertex Ultimate Medium into a runny mix that you can drip and throw and even maybe put through a piping bag. So it's a bit of fun. The Easy3Dflex is very sticky as a runny mix, so you don't want to get your hands into that. So work with a couple of spatulas, palette knife, whatever tools you can to actually scoop that onto the surface. Then you can make it a bit thicker. So because you've got the two that you can add together, you can make it as thick or thin as you like. But what I like to do is I like to make it into a stringy mix. And the stringy mix is a really elastic mix that you can drip and drape and move, which is just absolutely glorious to play with, especially if you're a painter and mixed media artist. Then, of course, you can make an air-dried clay with it in a similar way to how you make the stone art clay. The difference between the stone art and the Easy3Dflex is that the 3Dflex clay is more elastic. When you put the Easy3Dflex clay on your artwork, so whether it's a sculpture or a painting, you can also stamp beautiful textures into the clay. It's also a weather resistant finish if you're going to put your sculptures outside. It also gets the most amazing cracks when you add water or another product that I love, Bister, to it. So you can see here these beautiful cracks that have been achieved using Easy3Dflex sprayed with some of the Bister patinas, which are also available from Powertex. If you want to learn more about stone art and Bister, there are other videos that you can watch on the channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you're notified when we release new videos. This is a product that I absolutely love. It is so versatile. I particularly use it for painting and mixed media. However, if you're a sculptor, you can also make incredible sculptural form using Easy3Dflex. So if you love texture and extreme art surfaces like I do, you're going to love this. So enjoy creating, and I'll chat soon. Bye.